My name is Sarvagya Tripathi. Today I am going to show you the project I made with PictoBlocks for the Codeathon competition. So let's start it.
Hello, I am your AI assistant. Today we'll try to get one step closer to a better us, in a fun manner. But let me first check if you are eligible or not. Let me check if you are wearing your mask. Hurrah! You are eligible. Click any level to start.
So this is the level screen. It is showing 0 levels completed. We have to complete 4 levels in order to complete the whole game.
Virus fight. In this level you have to destroy the virus to guard India. Rules. You get 3 lives. You have to kill 20 virus. Good luck.
On the top left corner, as you can see, my health and my score are displayed. If I touch the monster, my health will decrease by 1, and if I kill a monster, my score will increase by 1. So I have killed 20 virus, so that's
Click
why
any level to start.
I won the first level. Now we'll start with the second level.
Quiz Olympics. Let's check if you know the recent glories of Indians. Rules. Answer each question. Write first letter of each word capital. You get 5 hints. Good luck. Which sportsman is this?
So in this screen on the top right corner, my score and how many hints I have are displayed. Just now I have 0 score because I have answered no questions, and hints I will get when I will give a wrong answer.
It's correct. Which game did he play? It's correct.
Now it is telling us about Ravi Kumar Dahiya.
Which sportswoman is this? Write her famous name.
We have to write the name which is most common in India.
It's correct. Which medal did she get? It's correct. Which team is this?
Here if you write hockey or hockey team or Indian hockey team, all 3 are correct. Maybe I have written the
Which
spelling
team is
wrong.
this? It's correct. What did they achieve recently? It's correct. He is a wrestler. Name him.
most of the people know him by the name B. Punya, but if you write Bajrang Punya, then also it is right.
It's correct. In which category he played?
The answer is 65 kg, but if I write the wrong answer, let's say 69, then it will give me a hint. It is telling
In
me
which category he played?
that the first character of the answer is 6. So let us try with the right answer.
It's correct. Which medal has she won? It's correct. Who is she? Be careful for her spelling. It's correct. She is a weightlifter. Name her. It's correct. She won silver medal in which category? It's correct. Who is he? It's correct. Which game did he play?
Here if you write javelin or javelin throw, both are right.
It's correct.
Neeraj Chopra bought the first ever medal in athletics for India.
Yay! You have successfully completed this level. Hope that you have learned something new about the super talented Indian players. Click any level to start.
As we have completed 2 levels, let's start with the third one.
Stemophilic. Guess the subject. Rules: answer the riddle and guess the subject. Write the first letter of each word capital. You get 1 hint. Good luck. I can produce rotten egg smell or smell which is fruity. Colors more than rainbow, be it lilac, crimson or sooty. I can tell you the reason for soury vinegar. Or why your soap makes so much of lather. Name me. It's correct. You work for your future unaware of the past. I tell you the stories which are not last. Show you the world with an old dusty rim, but beneath that dust are wondrous past dreams. Can you guess who am I?
So in this level we get the number of hints we have right over here. So if we give the wrong answer, we'll get a hint.
It's correct. Since the time of Aryabhata or maybe long before, I have taught how 2 plus 2 is always 4, how square of 2 is same as its twice, and how you can measure volume of curd and weight of rice. Let me know if you know me.
in this one you have got a very big hint, so you should know what is the right answer. If it's math or it's mathematics, both are correct.
It's correct. From the blue sun in the morning to the red sun at the sunset, your retarding car to the accelerating jet, from the free fall of Apple to the launch of the SpaceX, I am involved everywhere. Can you guess my name, dear?
So let's see what happens if we write the wrong answer. It is
From the
giving
blue
us a
sun in the morning to the red sun at the sunset, your retarding car to the accelerating jet, from the free fall of Apple to the launch of the SpaceX, I am involved everywhere. Can you guess my name, dear?
So it has told that the first letter is P, so maybe it's physics.
It's correct. Did you know that leaves also respire, or you have a gene similar to your cousin you admire? Or how your pupil changes its size frequently, or that million cells are producing in your body presently? I know the world and its DNA. If you know me, tell my name. It's correct. I am a trending passion, a revolution for this generation. If you use me wisely, I am directly proportional to your escalation. I reduce your paperwork to a great extent. I have cosmic knowledge of every content. I introduce you to technology, Windows, etc. Can you guess my name?
This must be computers, because Windows and technology are there.
It's correct. Click any level to start.
So as you can see, I have completed 3 levels, so I'll start with the 4th level now.
Mazomania. In this level you have to complete the maze while collecting the letters of the word STEM. Rules: for each letter you get 2 points. You have 3 total lives. If you touch the black lines you lose 1 life. You should get away from black lines in 5 seconds or you lose 1 more life. Touch the final red strip at the finish. Good luck.
So we have to be very careful while moving around this. So I'm starting. We don't have to touch the black lines. Now it has increased my score to 2 as I have collected the S. Now I will have to collect the T and then E and then M. Oops, I lost 1 of my lives. So now I collected the T also and it has increased my score. But I still have 2 lives left and 2 letters also. I lost 1 more life. Now I have only 1 life left. Now this is the part where it gets challenging. We have to be really careful. Now I just need to touch the red line.
Click
So
any
my
level
total
to
points
start.
are 47. So hope you learned something new and had a lots of fun. May we meet again. I give credits to all the teachers from STEMpedia, my sister Vanshika Tripathi, and to my parents. My name is Sarvagya Tripathi. So yeah, that was my game. Now we'll discuss about its scripting. So first we'll start from the starting, that is the Toby. So here it is switching backdrop to AI intro, and then it is switching backdrop to start 1. I'll show you all the backdrops. So this is AI intro, start 1 and then start 2. I have a total of 15 backdrops. So this is, it is changing the backdrop to start 1, then speaking all that is written, then start 2 which is this one, and then speaking all it is written here, and then checking if I am with mask or without mask. This I have done with the help of machine learning by making a model. Then after that it is changing it to the level menu where it will have all the levels. So I'll show you the backdrop of the level menu. So here is the level menu. Since I have done it manually, I am showing it to you all. That's why I have to show all the levels separately. So these are all the levels. When we click on the virus fight, it will start the game. When we click it here, it will run the following script. It will speak virus fight, change to L1 rules, speak all that is written on the backdrop, and then change it to L1 game. I'll show you what is L1 rule and L1 game. This is L1 rules and this is L1 game. When it will change to L1 game, it will first go to the rocket ship, show variables, the two variables, set the position, set the size, set the variables, and then check what key is pressed. If space key is pressed, it will do the following. Right key is pressed, it will do the x-axis, it will change the x-axis, that is the horizontal one. And if left key is pressed, it will change the x-axis but on the left side. And if score is 20, it will hide and stop this whole script, and if health is 0, it will hide and stop this script. Now in the monster, when it will change to L1 game, it will create a costume, it will create a clone, and when it will start as a clone, it will pick random position and it will repeat this part till its y position is less than -170, that is approximately here. Change y by -3, that it is the speed how it will go down. If touching bullet, it will delete this clone and do the following. If touching rocket ship, then it will change the variable health, and if score is 20, it will broadcast L1 and switch to level menu and change levels completed by 1, and if it is health is 0, it will broadcast L1 lose. I'll show what L1 win and L1 lose is used for. So when I receive L1 win, it will show this is the costume that was showed. Maybe it is not visible because it's white. And when it will show broadcast L1 lose, it will show this one. Now to the second one, that is Quiz Olympics, it will speak the following. Change it to L2 intro, then L2 rules, and then L2 game. L2 rules is, let me show you all the backdrops. This is L2 intro, L2 rules, and then L2 game. When it will change to L2 game, it will come right over here, and when it will come right over here, it will run the script where it will ask and then check if the answer is correct or not, and change the variable accordingly. And same I've copied, and when both the answers of one player is correct, it will broadcast, and then the next player will start from that broadcast. And when this is clicked, it will set hints to 5, hint letter to 1, and L2 score to 0. And forever, if backdrop name contains L2 game, then only it will show, or else it will hide. So now to the third one, that is Themophilic. It will speak the name, change the backdrop to L3 rules, and then to L3 games. L3 rules, let me show it to you. L3 rules is this one, and then L3 game is this one. So when it is changing to L3 game, it will come right over here. It is same as we did it in L2 game, level 2. It will ask the question. If it is right, it will broadcast, and then the next question will start from the previous broadcast, and change the variables accordingly. And similarly, if the backdrop name contains L3 game, then only it will show these variables, and else it will hide it. So now to the fourth one, that is Mesomania. It will speak the name, and then to the rules, speak all the rules, and then to the games, and then to the L4 game backdrop. So L4 game is this one, L4 rule is this one. So when it will be L4 rules, it will first of all run this and this together. It will set variables and check which key is pressed. If up is pressed, it will change y, down is pressed, change y by -5, right is pressed, x by 10, and left is pressed, x by -10. It will move the earth accordingly, and if the backdrop name contains L4, then only it will show. And here we have done how will it eliminate one. It will eliminate oneself when it will see if it is touching black, and if it is touching black, it will see if health is 0, then it will go back to level menu and stop this game, and we have to try again. But if the else is not that, but if the health is not 0, and if it is like 1, 2 or 3, it will do -1, and then oh no, you touch black, and give a warning so that we get away. So this is L4 start and finish, which is these two. These are showing from where you have to start and where you have to finish. These will show hide, that means I am blinking them, so you can have an attention on them. Then this is L4 finish. And now how the letters are working. When I am changing to L4, it is checking forever if the earth is touching it or not. If it is touching, it will show S, and then change the score, hide it, and stop all the script, the other one. And same I have done with all the other letters. And then if the score is like 12, it will broadcast full finished. You can see it right over here, touching L4 finish, that is the red line, that is the red strip. It will broadcast full finished. That means we have finished the level. It will hide variable, hide itself, change levels completed, and switch backdrop to level menu, stop other script, and broadcast final ending. Now I will tell why I have done final ending. Final ending, I will tell you the total points, that is score, the level 1 score, level 2 score, level 3 score, and level 4 score all together. It will show and then hide, and then switch backdrop to final ending. There is a backdrop named as final ending, which is this one, and then there is a backdrop named by, which is just a black, and then it will show final ending, and after final ending it will wait 20 seconds so that you can read, and then at the end it will switch backdrop to by, and then stop all. That means it will stop my program. So this was my program that I made. Thank you so much.